What does that word say?
Um, the word is tall.
Ah, good job. Circle the word tall. And what's that word?
The robot is rat.
So what's that word?
Rat.
Yeah, can you circle fat?
What's this word?
Oh, it was on the other page. What did you say it was then?
Robot.
Yeah, good job. Circle the word robot.
What's this one?
Oh, what did you say on the other page it was?
What?
That's right. Can you circle the word which? Okay, next page. What's that lady doing?
This one?
Mhm.
Blowing the fire.
That's right. Can you circle the word blow and fire?
What's this one doing?
You tell me. What's that word?
Clothes.
Very close. What's she doing to the clothes? What's the action there?
Folding the
Right. Can you circle the word fold?
clothes.
No, that word says what?
Fold.
Good. And what's the other two?
Fire.
Good. Can you circle the word fire? And what's the word at the top?
Christmas.
Very close. What's the word there?
Snow.
Good job. Circle the word snow.
Santa